Hello friend, in previous lecture we studied preparation of pyridazine, pyrimidine and oxazine. Now we study preparation of thiazine compound. Preparation of thiazine compound by bis beta amino ethyl thioether or bis beta chloro ethyl thioether. Let's see this example from bis beta amino ethyl thioether and bis beta chloro ethyl thioether. Here NH2 S NH2 it is bis beta amino ethyl thioether plus addition of HCl. Then here nitrogen is attacked from this carbon atom. Then carbon nitrogen bond formation, remove of amine group and one hydrogen from this amine group is remove of ammonia gas and formation of thiomorphelin compound or thiazine compound. NH CH2CH2S CH2CH2 it is thiomorpholin or thiazine compound. Now next preparation by bis beta chloro thioether compound, addition of ammonia gas, ammonia attacked from this carbon atom, remove of Cl and one hydrogen from ammonia, remove of HCl, then Cl, CH2, CH2S, CH2, CH2, NH2. Now here NH2 group contain two hydrogen atom, one hydrogen and here Cl atom replace remove, then HCl remove by formation of carbon nitrogen bond and cyclization occur, then formation of thiazine compound or thiazine or thiomorpholin compound. Now preparation of thiazine by ethanol amine from ethylene sulfide plus glycine. Here ethylene sulfide plus glycine, CH2 CH2S plus NH2 CH2 COOH. Here ion attack from this carbon atom. Here carbon sulfur bond is open and S minus abstract proton from amine contain two hydrogen atom. Here NH, CH2, CH2, SH, CH2, carbonyl group, OH, and next sulfur is attacked from this carbonyl group, remove of OH and hydrogen means remove of H2O and formation of thiomorphelin 2 on NH, CH2, CH2, S, CH2, carbon oxygen double bond S. It is thiomorpholin 2 on. Now next preparation of thiazine from ethanethiol amine, ethylene thiol amine plus alpha bromo methyl propionate H5. Here nitrogen attack from this carbon atom, then nitrogen carbon bond formation. Here one hydrogen atom and here bromine, remove of HBr and NH, CH2, CH2, SH, here CH2, OC2H5. Now next, cyclization occur by sulfur attack from this carbonyl group. Here hydrogen atom and this ethoxy group, remove of C2H5OH ethanol and formation of thiomorphelin 2 on or thiazine compound NH, CH2CH2, S, carbon oxygen double bond. Now synthesis of thiazine by diethylene sulfide or diethylene sulfide compound and ammonia. Let's see this example. Here CH2, CH2, S plus ammonia. Here 2 moles of ethylene sulfide. First we use 1 ethylene sulfide plus ammonia. Here nitrogen equilibrium from carbon, then carbon sulfur bond is open, cleavage and S minus accept proton from ammonia. Ammonia convert into amine NH2, CH2, CH2, SH. Now again we use ethylene sulfide compound CH2, CH2, S. Now again nitrogen carbon bond formation. Here carbon sulfur bond is cleavage and NH, CH2, CH2, SH, CH2, CH2, SS. Now cyclization occur by in aqueous HCl under 160 degrees Celsius heating by 12 hours. Then cyclization occurs and H2S gas removed and formation of thiazine compound or morphelin and thiomorphelin compound NH, CH2, CH2, S, CH2, CH2. It is thiomorpholin choline. Now again we study next last topic is 1,4-dioxane, preparation of 1,4-dioxane compound. 1,4-dioxane compound. 1,4-dioxane compound. 1,4-dioxane compound prepared by three methods. First one from 2 mole of ethylene glycol. Second one is 1 mole of ethylene glycol and 1,2-dibromoethane. And third one from 2 mole of 2-bromoethanol. Let's see one by one. From ethylene glycol, from ethylene glycol. Here CH2, OH, 2 moles of ethylene glycol, OH, CH2, OH. It is 2 mole of ethylene glycol. In under acidic medium use sulfuric acid. Here remove of water molecule by 2 moles of water molecule remove and cyclization and preparation our yield dioxane CH2O CH2 means 1 2 3 4 1,4-dioxane compound. Now synthesis of dioxane compound from ethylene glycol and ethylene glycol plus dibromoethane, CH2OH plus CH2OH plus dibromoethane. In basic medium, remove of 2 moles of HBr and cyclization occur and yield our product 1,4-dioxane or CH2O CH2O. It is 1,4-dioxane. Now last synthesis of dioxane from dibromoethanol. Two bromo ethanol. Here use 2-bromoethanol 2 moles compound CH2Br CH2OH 2,1,2,2-bromoethanol use 2 moles. Here again use basic medium, then remove of 2 mole of HBr and cyclization and formation of 1,4-dioxane compound or CH2O CH2 CH2O. It is 1,4 dioxane compound. Here we study in this lecture 1,4 dioxane compound and thiazine compound. We here our unit is finished. In this chapter, in this unit we study, let's see what is study in this chapter. First of all, we study what is heterocyclic compound. Next, study nomenclature of heterocyclic compound, and last, preparation of heterocyclic compound. Its name: pyrazole, pyrimidine, imidazole, uh, pyridazine, thiazine, isohexazole, oxazole, morphine, thiazine, and 1,4-dioxane compound. Now I will give some example we self study in our home. Let's see this example we self study in home. Give the name of this compound. Give the name of this compound. Give the name of this compound. We self study in our home. Now, next, second is complete this reaction. CH2, CH, CH2, CH2, Cl, Cl plus hydrogen NH2, NH2. What happened?